everyone. I wanted to make a quick video today about adjusting volume on the videos that you find on YouTube. I know that some of my viewers have said that some of my videos are hard to hear, and I'm not exactly sure what the problem is, as some people say that they can hear it okay, and some people say that they can't. So I just wanted to quickly go over some options that we can review when we're watching our YouTube videos to see where the sound quality issues might be. The first thing that I wanted to do was to go over this sound option here. On YouTube, each video has a little microphone where you can adjust the slider to go up or down in volume. This is the one that I use most often to adjust this volume of the videos that I watch on YouTube. This volume setting is different than the volume setting that you have on your computer itself. So just click on this little icon here and then it'll turn the volume off all the way to mute it. And if you click on it again, it'll unmute and then you can move the slider up and down. So that's the first place I would suggest checking for volume issues on YouTube videos. The next place that I would suggest is if you're on a desktop, go over to your little microphone here on your control bar at the bottom of your screen and double click on it. This will open up a menu that you've got, and you'll have a slider here for your volume that you can adjust higher or lower. This is your overall computer volume, which is different than the YouTube volume. So you can adjust this slider up or down to adjust the volume, which will hopefully allow you to hear things louder or less loud depending on how you like it. So those are the two places that I would suggest that you start with to try to adjust the volume on your videos. But I personally use this one here the most when I'm watching YouTube videos, as some of them are louder and others are quieter than ones that I've watched before. And hopefully this has helped find the issue that might be causing the low volume sound of my videos. Be sure to drop me a note down below and let me know if this helped solve the problem of not hearing the volume on my videos. That way I know if this has worked or not and if we need to keep troubleshooting this. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.